In our solar system, there's a rebel that refuses to follow the rules. While every other planet spins relatively upright, Uranus decided to do its own thing.
Behind every moment lies a scientific wonder. I'm Kale, and welcome to SciCurious, where curiosity meets science.
It's tilted at a staggering 98 degrees. It doesn't spin, it rolls. But how did a giant planet end up completely on its side? Most planets have a slight tilt. Earth's is what gives us our seasons. But Uranus is practically laying down on the job. This extreme tilt means its north and south poles are pointed almost directly at the sun. It's the only planet in our solar system whose name is often the butt of a joke, but its physics are seriously mysterious. For years, the leading theory was a cosmic hit-and-run. Scientists believe that about 4 billion years ago, during the solar system's chaotic infancy, a massive object, twice the size of Earth, slammed into Uranus. This cataclysmic impact was so powerful it literally knocked the planet over, forever changing its rotation. But wait, there's a new theory in town. Recent research suggests it might not have been a crash at all. Instead, a giant, long-lost moon could have played a gravitational tug-of-war with Uranus. As the moon migrated away, it could have pulled the planet's axis over via spin-orbit resonance. Eventually, the moon was ejected, leaving Uranus stuck in this awkward position. This sideways life creates the most extreme seasons in the solar system. Imagine a summer where the sun never sets for 42 years, followed by a winter where you're trapped in total darkness for another 42 years. It takes Uranus 84 Earth years to orbit the sun, meaning most of us would only live through one full Uranian year. So what do you think happened? Was it a massive cosmic collision or a disappearing moon that pulled it over? Put your detective hats on and tell me your favorite theory in the comments. Make sure to like and subscribe to keep exploring the weird side of space.
Science is everywhere if you just know where to look. Thanks for watching SciCurious. Until next time.